Hey, Jared. Say what's happening right now.
Hey guys, we're back. We ended the video. We were just about to go home and we heard a train.
Let's back up a little bit.
So we're gonna record this train.
Sushi. Is the train coming this way or is it across the no, it's coming this way. Oh God, I don't want to hear it loud it is. I'm weird. Holy shit, that scared the shit out of me. Huh?
I was thinking behind that tree there.
Hey! Too close.
Jeez, I wonder what's inside the train.
That wasn't that big. That's what she said. Did you hear me? Ew, it stinks. We'll go down here.
Yo, those trains.
How are we getting down there?
Yo, them trains should really.
Right here?
Them trains really should be long.
We gotta watch out for these weeds.
Them trains really should be long.
Well, no.
That wasn't even that long.
It's probably full of oil. You can't have a lot of oil in a train. That's probably why. Oh my God, I'm falling.
What's gonna happen if you have a lot of oil in the train?
There.
What's gonna happen if you have a lot of oil in the train?
It's gonna explode. Does the cigarette get close? Then yeah, it will explode.
You said the railroad tracks could shock you.
Yeah.
If the train just came and they left, you said it could shock you.
Depends. Oh, this drink is so cold. Yeah, it's tough. What'd you say about that guy that was sitting there, by the way? You said there was a guy sitting there. There was a guy sitting down and you said he looked like something.
A girl. Because he had very, extremely long hair.
She, you mean. Do not go on this. This could shock you right here for sure.
No. It was a guy that had long hair. It was a guy that had long hair.
Okay, end the video. End it. Or I will. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.